Hello, welcome back to my channel Be Beautiful Naturally. Hope all of you are fine and safe. Please stay at home. Please be safe. Take care of yourself and your family and friends. So, today's topic is how to get a perfect and glowing skin without spending too much money. Right? Who doesn't want perfect skin, beautiful skin, glowing skin? So today I'm going to share some easy tips to get beautiful and glowing skin naturally without spending too much money. So without wasting time, let's get start the video. So if you have perfect skin and perfect hair, you don't need to do makeup to enhance your beauty, because inner beauty is the most beautiful thing. You have to enhance your inner beauty, and then it will reflect on your skin and on your hair. So first thing you have to do is clear your internal system. If you clear your internal system, your skin and your hair will be glowing automatically. So for cleaning your internal system, you should eat healthy. You should eat more vegetables, more fruits, protein, and you should drink a lot of water, and try to take detox water, which is very beneficial for clear your internal system. I will share some recipes in my description box of detox water, and try to do some exercise in the morning in fresh air. It's the most beneficial way for keeping your full body, your hair, your skin healthy. So try to do this. And nowadays everybody is busy, so they don't have time to take care of their skin and their hair at home with home remedies. So they use branded cosmetics products, which is well, but try to use herbal products like Himalaya, Khadi Naturals, and so many are there in the market. So try to use herbal products, and if you have time and if you love home remedies, then it's very useful, and it has no side effect, it has no harmful side effects on your skin and on your hair. So try to use home remedies, try to use simple thing, and they will give you their best. So for face wash you can use honey. This is the most, this is a amazing thing, and this is suitable for all skin types. Even the more sensitive skin you have, it will completely suits you. So wet your face, then take some honey and massage gently. Wait for 15 minutes, then wash with warm water, not warm, lukewarm water, and you will see the instant result. You will see the refreshment on your skin. So try to use raw honey, but if there is no raw honey at your home, you can use your normal honey. So that is one point. Another is cleansing milk. So raw milk is the best thing to cleansing your face. Just take some raw milk with a cotton ball and clean your face, your neck, your face head, and wait for 10 to 15 minutes and wash with normal water. It will clear all the dirts, it will refresh your skin, it will even your skin tone. So For cleansing, raw milk is the best. Then scrubbing. For scrubbing, you can use rice flour, which is very beneficial and very effective to remove dead skin cells and making your skin beautiful. So just take some rice flour, add some milk or yogurt, make a paste and apply on your face, neck. You can use on your hands too, and let it dry and then wash it off. And use this scrubber once or twice a week. Then face packs. There are so many face packs. I will share some face packs according to your skin types, and if you want glowing even skin tone, then there is a Uttan face pack which is almost suits in every skin tone. So for this face pack you will need musur dal, red lentil, rice flour, turmeric, if possible add sandalwood powder, and make a paste with milk or with yogurt and apply. You can use this Uttan face pack daily before your bath, and it will, trust me, it will enhance your skin tone. It will gives you bright flawless skin. So try to use this. And for anti-aging treatment, do some anti-aging facial massage. I will share link in my description box about anti-aging massage. And try to eat amla, Indian gooseberry, daily. It's a powerful ingredient to control your aging, so try to eat them. And toner is the must. After cleaning your face, use toner. You can use rice water, you can use rose water, you can use cucumber juice as toner. All of them are very good, so try to use them. And sunscreen is must. Whenever you goes outside, use sunscreen. As natural sunscreen, I will share a recipe for natural sunscreen which you can make at home easily, so please check this. And for hair, try to use herbal shampoo. Do oil massage twice a week, and slightly warm oil is recommended to massage your hair. And every morning after waking up, just massage your scalp like this. It will help a lot, so try to use them. And for hair pack, you can use egg, you can use curd, and you can use aloe vera gel with coconut oil and vitamin E capsule. Make a paste and apply on your hair and scalp. Let it dry, then wash with shampoo and apply conditioner. And you can also use rice water to make your hair shiny, silky. So what you have to do is, after shampoo, wash your hair, do conditioner, and then just take some rice water and wash your hair with rice water. You don't need to wash your hair after using the rice water. It will make your hair shiny, silky, strong. So you can use this. And I will share some hair pack in description box, please check them. And If you do these home remedies for your skin and for your hair, I am challenging you that you will definitely get a perfect glowing skin and silky smooth stronger hair naturally without any harmful effect. So if you have time, if you really care for your skin and for your hair, try to use these home remedies. Try to use natural things rather than cosmetics products. And if you want to use cosmetics products, please go for herbal brands. And if you have perfect skin, glowing skin, perfect hair, shiny hair, you will be beautiful naturally. You don't need to do any makeup, any hair treatments. I'm not telling that doing makeup and doing hair treatment is bad. If you want, you can do, but straightening your hair makes you beautiful, but it has side effects. You can use home remedies to straighten your hair naturally too. There are some home remedies. So if you want, I can share link. Let me know in the comment section. And if you use home remedies for your skin will be thankful to you. Your skin will be glowing, vibrant, radiant naturally. It will take time, but the result will be perfect, and you will be thankful to these home remedies. And that's all. And if you find my video helpful, please like, comment and share, and subscribe my channel for more tips. And stay at home, be safe and be beautiful naturally. Thank you all. Love you all.